LG WM3770HWA washer. If you are looking for the foremost bang for your buck, the LG WM3770HWA washer will not frustrate. Supported our in-depth analysis, LG is one in all the foremost reliable brands of washers. Yale Appliance found that solely 7% of LG appliances sold throughout 2016 and 2017 required service within the first year of possession. J.D. Power conjointly ranks LG because of the second most reliable washer whole, behind Samsung. Samsung WF42H5000HWA washer. If you are willing to place up with fewer and louder cycles and forfeit a lot of advanced options for a far cheaper value, we predict the stackable front-loading washer from Samsung could be a nice decide for those on a budget. It options an outsized 4.2 cubic feet capability and a pretty white stainless steel end. LG Signature WM9500HWA washer. The LG Signature WM9500 has it all, and with its 5.8 cubic feet capability, it's one in all the most important front-loading laundry machines you'll be able to obtain. It needs quite 23 blockish feet to put in and to open its door absolutely, you'll have 57 inches of area. Any low laundry closet simply will not cut it for this mammoth machine. If you'll be able to match it in your home, its massive capability will definitely assist you to tackle massive piles of dirty garments. Therefore you'll be able to pay less time doing wash and longer doing alternative things. Besides its really large size, the washer sports a black stainless steel exterior that'll go absolutely in any laundry area. Plus, it's a fingerprint-proof end, that keeps it drying sleek and smudge-free in the least times. Electrolux FS627HWA washer. This Electrolux washer was within the running for our greatest overall decide. However, the LG we have a tendency to went with is a lot of reliable and cheap. Yale Appliance found that solely half dozen 7% of LG appliances sold throughout 2016 and 2017 required service within the first year of possession, compared to Electrolux's V-Day. However, the Electrolux FS627 remains an efficient washer that undoubtedly merits your thought. We're immense fans of the washer's stainless steel exterior, that comes in either white or black. Its controls area units simple and are not untidy and confusing like LG's will be, and it solely has 9 cycles, compared to the alternative model's 12-20 cycles.